parents, county officials, youth leaders, and representatives of all parts of Kisii County. Ladies and gentlemen, vijana hoye! Vijana hoye! Ya wageni ambao wamekuja, karibuni. Karibuni. Naona kwamba kuna pia muungano amekuja hapa kutoka South Mugrango, ni rafiki yangu ambaye anasimamia Southern College. Amekuja na wageni hapa, watatuambia wamekuja na mambo mazuri. Sijui kama mko na furaha. Mko na furaha kweli? Hebu nione kuna furaha kwanza. Na hiyo furaha lazima nione throughout the meeting. Allow me to, once again, we gather here to witness the graduation of yet another cohort of youth who have undergone training at the Ajiry Center here in Kisii. Today, 2,600 youths are graduating from the Ajiry Center, having undergone training in ICT, entrepreneurship, financial management, and other life skill courses. So far, over 9,200 youths have benefited from the free ICT training since the Ajiry Center was initiated here in Kisii 18 months ago. Ajiry is a program aimed at opening avenues for training and employment opportunities for our youths who are in need of training and employment opportunities. It is for this reason that I reached out to Ajiry, courtesy of MasterCard Foundation, to establish the Kisii Ajiry Center here at the Gusti Stadium, to help our youths access training and employment opportunity for free. I'm grateful for the support. I equally thank our Honorable MCM, of the likes of Mheshimiwa Steve Arika of Ibeno, who have helped to open more learning centers at the ward level. We intend to have a such like ICT hubs in all our sub-counties to reach many other residents. And I want to assure for those ones of you who come from Ibeno, probably next week we'll be having another graduation at Nyantrago. For the graduation of those ones who come from Nyantrago. Equally, through MasterCard Foundation, Shofco organization has also come in to help us in sponsoring our youths to pursue technical courses in various technical colleges. Shofco, there is that lady, where are you? This lady, she's a very good lady. When I spoke to her, she went an extra mile to admit free of charge 100 students. And today she has gone ahead asking for another 100 students to join for free courses that she's going to pay for. Thank you, Mama. You're a great lady. Asante. Our music recording studio here at Kisii Ajiry Center is also helping develop talent among the youths, which is down here. Nimeona wengine hapa, nani yule, nimeona Getruda Mogoi. Nimeona ukiimba. Sasa tuko na studio hapa chini, wewe kuja. Nimeona umetafuta kazi. Mungu akipenda utaweza pata kazi tu. Anza kuimba hapa, you'll be entertaining these people all the time. Karibu. Over 300 trainees from the Ajiry Center are benefiting from the sponsorship program from Shofco. The beneficiaries from Shofco initiated as soon undertaking the exams with NITA in various disciplines such as building and construction, version design, plumbing, and agribusiness. Already, some 57 trainees from the Kisii Ajiry Center have gained employment opportunities in various supermarkets and the KTRG due to their ICT exposure. It's important to note out that you do not come here just to sit, just to escort others into the stadium, you must have that skill. Some of the people have gone through it, they've gotten jobs here in the supermarkets. Some are KTRH or level 5 for hospital. Courtesy of Ajiry. I'll explain shortly on my story. And you'll see that you are better off than I was then. Equally, 113 students that I personally sponsored from the Ajiry are set to do their NEC exams in counseling, social work, and the community development. Therefore, the Ajiry Center is a game changer in providing a platform for our young men and women to showcase their skills, talents, and expertise. Indeed, the Ajiry Center is important in the quest for youth and women empowerment in digital skills, in the dynamic digital economy and new media, where knowledge in ICT is increasingly becoming an enabler in accessing employment opportunity all over the world. Let us embrace this opportunity and work together to create a better future to all. Allow me to say this, with those many, there are not few remarks, I congratulate the graduates and advise that you put the skills you have acquired into practice to earn a living. Let all appeal for more youths to enroll in a free training program at the Ajiry Center. I want to take this opportunity again, or once more, to thank our partners, including Shofco, CareLink, Ajiry Digital, Nyanjwa College, and the Center for Training, as well to other good people like Dr. Kinani, who has given us 4 computers today, and he has promised again to add us another 10 computers. I know there are some computers from one gentleman called Sonko from South Mugrango, who gave us how many computers then? 3. Have they been delivered? They have been delivered. Pigia asante sana, ngwana mzuri yule. Allow me to mention these things. You know, it's important for me to really bring you to speed. I forgot when we started that we lost 2 young girls from the center here who died out of the accident at daraja moja. Nikubalie niwaulize nyote msimame kwa heshima ya wale wasichana wawili ambao walilala. A young man, he comes from, I think, Bomet, if it's not Bomet, Kericho, but is employed in Muranga as a chief officer. He's the one who came up with the revenue collection system, or solution. Hapa nikiuliza director wa ICT yuko hapa. Nimeona ni yeye ni kwaya hapa, ni ndio kwaya masa kuja hapa. Wewe na mkubwa wako, you are the deputy director. Yes, wewe na mkubwa wako. You can imagine that young man was employed the other day by Mheshimiwa Kangata Irungu. He's the one who developed that solution. Us here, we have been there. You guys, you have been there. How I wish you can be able also to get into that field. Tafadhali. Because you are so good. Naona wewe ni kwaya master ya hii team na nitatafuta pesa kidogo niweke. Tafadhali, hakikisha kwamba we have solutions from your department. That's my request. And given that again you are a teacher, you are a teacher at Ajiry Center. Tafadhali. Asante. You saw the other day, there are courses which were removed from the university and they are offered at our TVET colleges. I want to assure you that in the forward budget, right now there's a problem with our supplementary budget, which has stalled everything. But we're going to correct it. But with the forward budget, I'm going to put more money into TVET, so that you can have all of you, for those ones from some counties, attending and attaining good courses in the level of the TVET institutions that we have in the country. The other day, our only TVET institution, which leads in the country in exams, Nyaore. You saw I came there with our friends from one university who promised they're going to sponsor that institution. Soon, you'll see so many activities at Nyaore from our friends from China. You know, I've seen so many happenings around, and allow me to again ask Ismail, let us have a public speaking skills trained in this facility. Hapa tuko na magavana wengi, hapa tuko na wabunge, hapa tuko na women rep wengi, hapa tuko na ICT expertise. Kwa hivyo nitawaomba kwamba again, let us be innovative. Hata wengine kupiga kelele peke yake is a talent. Si unaona msichana amedance hapa, nimepea yeye sijui ni 1000 ngapi. Wewe umenyamaza hapo umeketi. Unaona huyu mama na kelele yake, uko na pesa ngapi sasa nimepea wewe? Nimepea yeye 1000. Kuna mtu hapa hawezi pata hata 1000. Kuja nipea wewe wengine. Huyu mama. Hata former governor nasikia alikuwa hivyo. Sawa baba. Haya, sawa. Lazima ujitokeze. Lazima ujitokeze. Wewe unanyamaza. Haya, wacha niwache hiyo, sitaki kusema. I'm happy with the Care Link. Yule mwalimu amesema there is more space at Care Link. They can give us space at Sameta. Wewe akisha kwamba mheshimiwa Sonya ametutafutia hapo mahali au watu wa Sameta mpaka Ogembo wapate space pandile. Mheshimiwa Arika, I saw you here. Mheshimiwa Arika, asante sana. Huyu mungwana using his own money, he has opened the center of Nyantrago. Na wale waheshimiwa wengine wote, waheshimiwa MCAs, nitaongea na wao tuone kama we can start it at the ward level. Allow me to finish by saying, nikubalie niongee Kikisii. You know, sometimes if you want to kill a dog, you want to give it a bad name. That is eating eggs, eating chicks, eating what? Neighbors, the chuchu, every man of name that you can give it. You have seen such utterances from elected leaders. Oh, Simba is a goon. Oh, Simba is what? Oh, Simba no mushuriwe sasa konyo. Oh, everything. These people, without knowing that the people who have been perpetrating crime here in Kisii, they have been behind gangs who have been killing people here. They killed an innocent boda guy in town here. They killed another gentleman from Ramasha here in town. 2 weeks ago, the same group killed a contractor in a hotel here. And the police, they are busy saying and reporting back to Nairobi, oh, Simba is leading. Which gang? We want to warn them that things are not going to happen. Anybody, I disassociate myself with any element of a goon or criminals in the county. I'm the boss of the county. I would want to see peace everywhere. But for those ones who are associated with politicians who tell them, oh, unajua sisi ndio serikali, oh, you can kill, you can do everything. Hapana. We want to make sure everywhere in Kisii there is peace. People can go to business as usual. I wish, I'm told the Minister for Interior was here. He can go ahead, make sure all the criminal gangs, they are dealt with family. Because if we look, those teams, they are specific, they are known, they are behind a certain individuals. They are only using the name. We know we are in the government. Who is not in government? I'm running my government. Therefore, I want to urge leaders. Our division has costed us so much. Mpaka viongozi wakuu kule juu wanasema kwamba they cannot come to Kisii simply because kuna watu wanapigana kwa matanga. Basari watu wanapigana ni matusi. We can't move. Until Wanjira natoka in that route. I want to plead with my leaders. All leaders, please, bury your hatches. Let us make sure our count goes forward. You are not going to distract me from the course. Ukipanga vita, mimi naendelea kupanga maendeleo. Tuliapa hapa tukasema kwamba mnajua vile tulikuwa na campaign, tunasema kwamba tafadhali mtu yoyote, we were accusing the former regime eti watu walikuwa wanalipa mahaki gai kwa sababu ndio ngote nga mahaki mwana ga kole form 4 akoendo aka umaya kuliko ka kimwanche gamboli. I want to be very honest. Esenge njike kamera chiri ga kangana bana babuli ama nganga ne yejinsoni gamboli mbantu kwaisi bibono mami check mbalenga baizo mwomo kamaji esa buni ndio gamboli ni bolinde ama wanafunzi mora no yetinda ndikuona kyara bajo denga but ntakuwa netingo ningo let me ask this question. Home and view. You know very well, especially for the graduates, your parents, they hardly even change their clothes. They hardly do that. Even for the small clothes, the panties, some of them they are torn or they don't have. But they've taken an opportunity, that a painful step, to have you come to school. Please don't let them down. You don't have to have a godfather for you to be anything. It's only made to be determined in life, and you can be there.